Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to J4P Marketers. Now, for all those Muslims out there, those Muslim content creators, Muslim business owners on Instagram that feel like you cannot make a post without putting music haram, or your post won't go viral without putting haram music as background sound. Now, I'm giving you this post to show you that you can actually uh, put up music that are not haram and still go viral. So to access this music, which is called Nasheed, there are various channels. This is what you should just do. Just go to your search bar, click or type Nasheed, and type Nasheed. Then just go to accounts. You can see lots of Nasheed channels here for you to pick from. But what should you do? This is what you should do. Click on anyone you feel comfortable with. Play the sound, play their reels. You can go ahead by saving them. That's one way. The second way is to go to another one that is having reels, Nasheed reels. Click on it. كنت ميتا في بحور الغي والإثم غريقا كنت عابدا في قيود الذنب مملوكا رقيقا مد الشيطان من أسبابه حبلا وثيقا منكرات كنت آتيها. Open your Google or search engine and then type save from net. Go to this website, save from net, insert the link here and click on download. Once you have downloaded this, open CapCut, start a new, import the video you just downloaded, put in your content, then go to audio, sounds, extracted, click extracted, extract sound from video, then choose the video you want to extract sound from, import sound only. This is the video, this is the sound here, so you can listen to it. Add it to your content and that's all. Save your video and that's all. You can go ahead, keep enjoying halal music, halal sounds, and stop using haram sounds for your background.